Merry Christmas, first grade. This is our very last lesson until we have winter break, which is starting for you this evening, right after school. So we're on chapter 2, and this is your My Review for chapter 2. So when we're finished with all of this, we are going to be almost finished with the chapter. All right, so today you're on page 199, and we're going to start with a vocabulary check. So we have 4 different fill-in-the-blank questions or responses that we need to fill in, and the words are difference, related facts, subtract, subtraction, number sentence. All right, so number 1 says addition and subtraction number sentences that use the same numbers are called, and we're going to use related facts for that. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pen, and we are going to just draw a line from related facts to where we write it, which is right here. And if you want to fill in related facts on that line, that will work for me. All right, number 2 says 9 take away 7 equals 2 is a, and that's called a subtraction number sentence. So that's a pretty long 3 words that you have to write, and that goes right here. Okay, number 3 is when you take away, you subtract, and that's going to be right here. Put the arrow there. And in 7 take away 4 equals 3, the 3 is the difference. So that one's going to go right here. Now, you can either keep making those arrows and then practice writing those words down in the blanks, or you can just leave it as arrows if you want to. All right, number 5. Write a subtraction number sentence. So first we have to find out how many we had. So how many bananas were there first? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's make a 7 right here. Inside this little circle, they want you to do the take away sign or the subtraction sign. How many did they take away? Let's write that in our number sentence. It's just 3. And this is for the equal sign. So put your equal sign in there. And how many do we have left? We have 4 bananas left. All right, we're ready for the next page. Okay, we've turned the page now, and now we are on page 200, and we're going to start with number 6. All right, so let me go ahead and get a pen, and I will fill these in with you. 5 take away 1 is the next number down on the number line, which would be a 4. I'm going to make my line a little bit bigger. It's a little easier for me to use. Okay, number 7 is 4 take away 2. That's easy. 2. We know that because 2 plus 2 equals 4. 7 take away 5. Go ahead and write your 2. 9 take away 5. 4. Okay, now we have some mixed problems here that are vertical. 8 take away 4. Well, we know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so put down your 4. 6 take away 1 is the next number down on the number line, which is 5. 4 take away 0. Anytime you take 0 from any number, you're still going to have that number. Oops. Oh, my mouse is kind of messy. All right, 9 take away 2. And we have 7. 8 take away 3. We have 5. 7 take away 5. I'm pausing now because I'm hoping that you are getting it before I write my answer. If you are, you're doing great. All right, so now we have some mixed problems here. We have number 16 says 6 plus 2. We go up 2 on that number line, and we're going to land at 8. Okay, now we need some related facts here. So we're going to say 8 take away 2 equals 6. So these are related facts because as you, oh my goodness, it drives me crazy when my computer does this. I may end up having to get a better computer. It wants to change the size of everything I'm doing. Okay, oops, let me go up 1 more. Okay, 2 more. There we go. All right, let's write our 6 down here. And another related fact will be with takeaway, let me think here, 8 take away 2 equals 6. Let's do another related fact here. Well, I guess we can take 6 take away 2 equals 4. And I don't think that's the correct answer, but right now Miss Allen is just trying to fill this in really quick. So I may have to think about that one, how we could have 2 subtraction facts using those same numbers. All right, let's move on. Let's go to the true and false down below. 17, 10 take away 3 equals 7. And that is true. And number 18 says 3 is equal to 6 minus 2. And that is definitely a false one. All right. We're now going to go over to problem solving on the next page. Okay, we're on problem solving. Write a subtraction number sentence. Angel has 7 bananas. She eats 2 of them. How many bananas are left? All right, so this box over here is your 7. So we're going to write 7 on the top. She eats 2, so put your 2 below. How many are left? 5 bananas. And I'm not very good at this because my mouse, it's hard to write. But I bet you're staying right in those boxes. Okay, number 20 was a true and false story problem. There are 9 bears on a tree. 3 of them leave. 6 bears are still on the tree. That is true. All right, find the matching subtraction number sentences. There are 5 elephants. There are 3 leopards. How many fewer leopards are there? So we're going to say 5 take away 3, and we need to find the correct answer. So this one does not look like it. 5 take away 3 is not 1. 5 take away 3 is not 4. 5 take away 3 is 2. So here's your correct answer. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, we're almost done. All right, first graders, we are going to find the missing parts. So remember how we talked about part, whole? So on the top here, on the reflect, it shows that we have part, which is one is red, one is yellow, and then they gave us the whole. So we have a missing part here that we have to figure out, and I know how we're going to do it. What is 7 take away 3? And hopefully you know that answer is a 4. So put your 4 right here for your part. And then for the next one, we're going to say 8 take away 0. And that answer is, you remember that if you take 0 from anything, you're still going to have that number. So go ahead and put your 8 down. For subtraction, we have 9 take away 7. 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, write a subtraction number sentence. So we have to find out what the whole is. And I noticed something here, boys and girls. This whole is a 10 frame. So let's say 10. And we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you have left? The difference is 3. Okay, well, we're all finished with this chapter. So when you come back in January, we're going to be on chapter number 3, Addition Strategies to 20. So I hope that everybody has a wonderful, safe holiday season. Merry Christmas, boys and girls.